basta, ang masubasta.
Thank you so much, Devika. Good morning, members of the press, and thank you so much for being here in such large numbers. Dr. De Cruz, Dr. Nav, Devika, and of course Lisa. Me being here probably on this dais is probably the odd one out over here, because everybody else on this dais has done so much, has put in so much of effort towards this initiative and bringing about awareness of breast cancer. And I think everybody knows the amount of work that Devika over the years has been tirelessly, working towards this cause. So I think that's absolutely amazing. I'm just here so I can lend my support. I've known Lisa for really, really, really long. She's somebody who I have seen over the years, and I've had the pleasure of knowing, working with, and of course I've got to know her really closely over the last couple of years. I've yet to see somebody as spirited, as strong, and as beautiful as this lovely lady, because she's really been through a lot, but one would never be able to tell. She's fought through it. She's here, smiling, taking on the world, taking on every responsibility, and it's amazing to see such fighters. I mean, somebody like Lisa is such an inspiration. I mean, we all go through our hardships. We all go through our moments in life where we sit back and we say, why the hell is this happening to me, and why am I, whatever. We sit and grumble. I don't think we have the business to grumble when we see such amazing fighters over here, and yet look so absolutely radiant and lovely. Barring that's just adding a little more support, the pink eye. So all my love and all my support that you have always, and I'm just glad that I can be here for this conference, so we can, at the fourth annual breast cancer conference, where we can actually sit down and lend our support and be truly supportive and be there for everybody. So that's why I'm here, and I wish you all the very best in your initiative. And of course, the Tata Memorial, all the hard work that they've done over the years, I think one can never ever put that aside. Poonam, thank you so much for telling me, and I'm here because of that lady as well, who called me up and said it would really mean a lot, because it is a personal tragedy that we are going, a personal uphill task that we are going through in our family, and it would really mean a lot if you could be here. So thank you so much for doing that, and once again thank you all for being here today.
I think how Bollywood can be helpful in.
I think I don't speak for myself. I mean, right now me being here, but I think whether you're talking about the film industry or anybody connected, I think everybody does come forward in some way or the other to lend their support. I think cancer is something that has affected everyone's life in some way. It may not be you personally, but it does. Whether it's a family member, a friend, a relative, somebody. So there is that connect with everybody. So you feel the need to come out and do your bit. And I think, like Lisa said, I mean, I don't think you need to be standing on a rooftop screaming your lungs out about what you're doing. I think it's your own way, however you can come out, in whichever way you can come out and lend your support. I think that is what is important. And in today's day and age, there's so much that is available to you. There's so much knowledge. There's so much that's going on out there. I think it would be rather insensitive and stupid for you to sit back and do nothing about things that affect your life at such a closed level. So I think everybody should come forward and help in some way and support in some way.
Malika, a question for you. Very rarely have we seen Bollywood make a film touching upon an issue like breast cancer. Why is Bollywood shying away?
I don't think Bollywood shying away. I'm sure if there is an opportunity, and I'm sure if there is a platform to address the issue, I'm sure they will. I don't think Bollywood shies away from meaningful cinema anymore. I think it's in today's day and age, it's a director's I mean, it's a director's world right now. It's a narrative world out there. So I'm sure if there is something that they think that they can truly give absolute justice to, I'm sure it will. I'm sure in fact in today's day and age they're touching so many topics which were probably far more taboo earlier, but they are now. So it's just a matter of time.
People are like, it's very difficult to get rates out of Salman Khan. So people are also
Oh, no, sorry, this is not the platform. I think, I'm sorry.